In Quebec, half of the energy consumed comes from fossil fuels. Transportation, factories, and the heating of buildings still rely heavily on fossil fuels. Hydro-Québec supplies energy that is over 99% renewable. That's why we will play a leading role in gradually replacing polluting energy with cleaner energy. To decarbonize Quebec and meet electricity demand, which will double by 2050, we need to add between 150 and 200 terawatt hours. That's nearly twice our current generating capacity. To succeed, we need to use electricity wisely and generate more renewable electricity. To ensure a sustainable and prosperous future in Quebec, we must all do our part and modify our consumption habits. Every kilowatt hour saved is one less kilowatt hour we have to produce. In addition to helping the public use electricity wisely, Hydro-Québec will need to generate more renewable energy and build new infrastructure. Hydro-Québec's objectives include increasing wind generation, improving or optimizing capacity at existing generating stations, building more hydropower generating stations, building substations and transmission lines, and integrating more solar energy and battery storage into the energy mix. Let's work together. By using electricity wisely and generating more renewable electricity, we can build a better future for Quebec.